got a 100-year-old crabapple tree, you're going to find apples. But they're this year's apples. Nice and fresh.
Hey, Sam. Sam, right? Hi, Sam. Hi.
Maybe
Is it a radio? WITC.
WITC it was.
Yeah, Nikki Janison. So she was the program director before me. So, and she started in October, and I started in January. So, yep.
Looks like it's all in good hands.
Well, thank you. I hope so.
Well, I'm going to start contributing. I took an envelope.
Well, great. Well, thank you very much. Yeah, if you like what you saw and you had a good time, please consider becoming a member and check out our calendar, our program of events for more stuff. You are welcome. Are you coming to the barn dance? Yeah, good.
Thank you. Are you going to be there?
You're welcome.
Are you going to be there?
For a little bit, yeah. I live here, so. Yeah. That's a pretty good size one, too.
Hello.
No, barking sound, I've never heard him make that kind of sound.
That's pretty with the sunshine around that one. A wild calla lily.
That's what the white flowers are.
Yeah. Verify that with Katie because I'm not the naturalist. Layers of sphagnum moss. And the moss dies and it stays there and more moss grows on top of it. So like thousands of years of sphagnum moss. And so it's all spongy and it's in a very unique ecosystem because the plants that live here have to have sort of evolved to be able to get their nutrients through the moss, not soil. And the moss is very acidic, and so it's very unique. If you want to walk out on there, it's real spongy and